Good morning, friends, and happy Sunday. We are checking out and leaving Margaritaville, and Brian just packed up all the stuff in the car, so we are about ready to go. And oh, that was very nice of him. So just so you know, it's $12 per night to park here if you use valet. So interesting. It's quite expensive to stay here. We'll talk about that later. So here we are at Joe Patti. Like always, I'm so excited to go in here. Always. And of course, foggy, foggy, foggy. Ooh. Out here to Joe Patti, and I'm so happy we did, because we love coming out here. We just like seeing all the fish in there, and it's just amazing what they can catch out here. And we just love coming out here and walking back here on the pier, and it's just so cool. We love it. It's just a cool, relaxing thing for us, and this is something that we do all the time. Something that we never miss out on. We love it. Beautiful out here. I love like this old fisher boat. Look how cool that thing is. It's just like so old and raggedy. I love it.